seeing beyond the snowstorm of your thoughts. How do thoughts and emotions settle? Like the snow globes you see at Christmas, if you leave the globe untouched, the snow just lies effortlessly inside the globe. Give the globe a shake, and the snowflakes create a mini snowstorm that blurs the scene inside. This is what happens with our thoughts when triggered by an unexpected situation, event, or circumstance, email, phone call, or text. We are designed to either run away or attack in an attempt to protect ourselves. This reaction can create feelings of stress, anxiety, or pressure. Sadly, some of us live in these feelings because of the thoughts creating a snowstorm of our thinking. When you can't see the solution because the thoughts are obscuring your view, allow them to settle, like the snowflakes in the globe. When they've settled, an inspired thought or insight to the perceived issue will appear, and you'll know what to do. When we see beyond our triggered thinking, anything is possible.